Namaste. Today I am in the location of our new CNC robotic laser cutting machine. I am Sajid from ADM Solutions talking about HD Tech laser cutting solutions. Over my 20 years of experience, when I have discussed with thousands of business owners who are from small, medium and large business associations, many of them have shown interest to talk about the 5-axis or robotic laser cutting solutions. I wanted to talk to you about 6 special features of our CNC robotic laser cutting machine. It is a miniature of 5-axis laser cutting machine. It often gives more flexibility than 5-axis laser cutting machine because it is completely wide open. It can be used as a wonderful solution for prototype application. Up to certain extent, it can be portable as well. This can be widely used for laser welding application in automobile industry, which is supposed to be the future in this particular industry. Possibility also can be extended for case hardening in die and mold application as well. I would request you to kindly share this video to your friends and in other business circle so that this video can be useful for them. See you in next video. Thank you very much.